Muhmmara. This one is not as great as the one I had in Lebanon, close to Syria, but you should still make it, it's pretty delicious. So you'll need 4 red peppers, which you will deseed and bake. So cut it in half, deseed it, brush with olive oil so the skin will come off easier. In the meantime, prepare your pomegranate. So cut the top, and then when you'll see where there are areas without seeds. This is where you incise it lengthwise, and then you slowly open it. Remove all the seeds and put some aside for garnish. In the meantime, toast your walnuts and then remove skins from peppers once they are baked. Put everything together in a blender. Remember, leave some seeds to garnish. Add garlic, add cumin and salt, olive oil and lemon juice. Blend everything together. I like chunky consistency, so I never blend it fully. Then you decorate it with your pomegranate seeds, mint and smoked paprika. Enjoy!